Built up faceless as my whole body tenses. Discontent caused by pretenses. Faces put up around this endless emptiness, and no, I can't fight it. Father, take this disease away from me. I want to stand up strong, unwavering. Take me past the point of no return. Light up my selfish pride and watch it burn. And watch it burn. And watch it burn. And watch it burn. Stakes are high and what we are is more than meets the eye. I am ready to die.